SQL database to SQL pool. Yes, please confirm previous class. Yes, please.
Yeah, SQL2 snaps we did last time.
Yes, SQL pool snaps. And I give some task items also.
Yes.
Please try to work on them. Please give it a try. Fine, friends. Let's get started. Let's understand. The next important item, blob data imports. Please get your observation notes ready. We'll slowly start our session. You see my screen, everyone, please. Please, everyone, you see my screen, please. We'll slowly start. Please,
Yes, sir.
able to see my screen?
I'm able to
Yes,
see
sir.
this.
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's start. Please get your observation notes ready. We'll slowly start our session. Yes, let's get started. Good to write your observation notes. We'll go for questions after some time. Let's start now. Let's understand an interesting and easy concept, blob data imports. I mean, how to import data from an Azure blob storage to any destination using data factory. Requirement, design a pipeline to copy data from Azure blob storage source to Synapse or SQL database, anything, destination, through data factory. Here, storage account. I said blob, right? Azure blob storage. That Azure blob, binary large object blob, is a file, blob file we call. We store the blob files inside containers. Containers are inside storage account. Storage account is a Azure resource to store files, binary large object files. Each storage account can store multiple files organized into container. Capacity of each storage account is 512 terabytes. Practically, we use storage account for storing the files and also for pipeline logging and staging activities. Today we are concentrating on file storage. We have separate sessions for logging and staging. Let's concentrate on the storage part. Requirement, how to copy data from storage account to pool or SQL database, anyone. Same process, either pool or SQL database. How it is, let's see. Step 1, go to Azure account, home, create resource. Search storage account. What is it? Go to Azure. Back to my screen, this one. Go to Azure, create resource. Create resource. Search storage account, this one. Go home, search create resource storage account. Click on the storage account. Click create. Click create. And resource group. So the subscription will be your free trial subscription. Subscription will be your free trial subscription. You need to give the resource group. Any name is okay for the resource group. Any name is fine. Just give some name. Any name is okay. Here, I'll make use of existing resource group. Anything is fine. Storage account name. I'll say SQL school storage account. Give a name. Any name is okay. Review plus create. Okay, review plus create. And click create. Review plus create. Click create. Once we create the storage account, next. Give the storage account like this. Okay, go to resource. Go to resource. Once we go to resource, here, remember storage account has something called container. Data management, sorry, not data management, data storage. Data storage left side. Container. Plus add container. And I'll call this as blob container. Create. Okay, container and create it. Click on the container. Click on container. Next. Upload file. See here, upload file. We need a source, right? I'll upload a file. Directory optional, directly upload the file. Browse. I shall include one file as a source. In our class notes, I include one CSV file. You'll use this as a source, upload. Okay, source is ready. Let's go to our notes. This one. Storage account, container, blob. Destination will reuse the same server and the database or pool anyone from our earlier example. Now let's have the data factory. Observe carefully the diagram. Source ready, right? And destination ready. Destination we are going to reuse the server and database or the pool. Source is, remember, left side blob, right? Source is blob. Next. See here in the diagram you have in between the ADF, right? In between you have something called the ADF. The Azure Data Factory resource for the purpose of copy pasting the data. Remember, using ADF we cannot move the data. It's not cut paste, never. ADF is always for copy pasting the data. And I'm using something called DIU, data integration units. What is a DIU? Data integration units. DIUs are mainly for the purpose of compute. So more DIUs we invest, more better performance, more faster for easy and faster copy data transfer. Let's start our concept now. Back to my ADF. Go to this one, Azure Data Factory resource, whichever data factory resource you created for the previous example. Use the same resource. Launch Studio. Launch Studio. Next. Once you launch Studio, click on ingest. This one. Click on ingest. Schedule. You can run once or schedule. Means on a recurring basis. You would like to run it continuously. Start date and occurs every, for example, 12 hours, or for example, in weeks, days, months, like this. We can give the execution at these times. For example, 12 hours, 30 minutes. Specify end date. I'll say for our practice purpose, I'll say end of this month, something like this. Click next. Give data store. Connection. New connection. See, data source. New connection. It should be blob storage. Next. Give the storage account. This is the storage account we created today. Test connection. Click create. Give file or folder. Select blob container. Okay, select the required file, click OK. File loading behavior, leave it as it is. Next example, we have something called incremental loads. Just select the required file and next. Okay, so source is file. And the format would be the CSV, comma separated value file. First row header, default option. Don't do any changes in the screen. Destination, new connection. And it would be SQL pool or Synapse. Synapse or database, anyone you can choose. Previous example I was showing you with Synapse, warehouse destination. Now it is an SQL database destination. Anything is okay for your practice. Usually raw data, regular data, we store it in the database only. If it is old historical or aggregated data, we use warehouse. Give destination connection name. Any name is fine. Give the server database. Username. And password. test connection. Okay, test connection. Click create. Click create. Next. Okay, source ready blob, destination ready SQL. Let's wait for a few moments. We get one screen here like this. Either auto create destination table with the source schema. Source schema means here source structure, or append to existing table. Provided the structure, the schema remains same, we can append. Or for now, auto create this one. Schema name dot table name. For example, TBL sales data like this. Okay. Give some schema name and table name. Any schema name is okay. Next. We can rename the columns. For example, 2018. I'll say like this. You can rename the columns if you wanted to, or leave them as they are. Next. This is blob data copy. Copy data from Azure blob storage to Azure SQL database or Azure Synapse. Anything, same process. Next. For better performance, we'll be taking a separate concept about consistency, logging, staging, and other things. We'll take the performance metrics separately, touching base with these items. For now, if you observe carefully here, something is missing. Please observe there, give a guess. Yes, please. Something is missing here in this screen. If you compare with the previous basic pipeline creation last week, something is missing here. Please observe carefully. What is it? Please observe
Integration
there.
unit. Integration unit. You have to be.
Integration runtime we have not selected.
It's there. It's there. Sir. Integration time is there. Anything else? Please do it. DIUs are available, but copy method, you remember? I said something called copy method earlier. Copy method. Bulk insert. Remember now? Copy method, bulk insert. We used to have it right there. Yes, others please. You remember now? Can you please practice? Yeah. Fine, no problem. Let's continue. Please see if you can practice the things carefully. We'll continue. Yes, it is copy method. In previous example, you see copy methods. Those are missing here. By default, for blob data imports, only bulk insert is applicable. Other copy methods like copy data or upset are not possible in this wizard. Go to DIU. Give DIUs. Remember, copy method is missing in the screen. For now, select DIUs, data integration units, and next. So blob storage to SQL database. blob storage to SQL database. In the meantime, I launch my SSMS because we need to test this pipeline. And I also connect to this server, that Azure SQL server we used in the pipeline. Let's wait. We are waiting for this server. Prompt, say connect. And go to database, new query. Go to database, new query like this. Okay, once you go to database, new query. Okay, we get the new query like this. Now what we do here, simple. Select from whichever table you are loading through pipeline. Pipeline deployed successfully, created the data sets pipeline, triggered, finish. Go to left side monitor. Go to left side monitor. Here you don't see the pipeline run by default. Why? Because we schedule the pipeline, right? Remember, if we don't schedule the pipeline, it runs immediately. If you schedule the pipeline, this one and other, we have a pipeline, but we schedule the pipeline. If you schedule the pipeline, trigger the pipeline as per the schedule, it runs as per the schedule only. Then how to execute it manually? Yes, click on trigger now. Remember, other, trigger now. Click OK. Trigger now. Then it will prompt you to click OK. You click on trigger now. The pipeline starts to execute. Go to monitor. It has started the execution for last 22 seconds, 28 seconds, like this. Okay, click on refresh. Now, okay, we started the pipeline. Here you see failed. Why it failed? Go to notification, see view pipeline run, view error details. There are two things. Pipeline run, it failed. It says pipeline failed because copy data activity failed. Go to notification, error details. Okay, error details. Here it says operation failed, column does not exist in the target table. Okay, failure happened on sync. Sync means destination side. SQL column name does not exist. Type Microsoft data transfer column, common shared hybrid delivery. Something, but it says main importantly, column does not exist in the target. Yes, observe carefully. This is my new table name, right? It is my new table name, brand new table name. Okay, here it's brand new table name. What I'll do is observe carefully. Draw table name. If table already exists, okay, observe carefully. if table already exists, in case if table already exists, and you try to use existing table, but the structure is different, then you have this kind of error. Go to notification, see the error, or go to monitor pipeline runs, see this small error here. Okay, so in our example right now, pipeline failed because table already exists and the columns are different. This is not the correct column. Sale underscore 2018. It's an unmatched column. So you got error. So what I did just now, I dropped the existing table and rerun. See, we can rerun the entire pipeline or rerun only failed activity. This is very important. Whenever pipeline fails, you can rerun the entire pipeline or only particular activity, the failed activity we can rerun. This one, where we are now, monitor. Remember, firstly we started the pipeline execution from author trigger. Now, if any failure, in case if your table already exists, then it may fail. If in case you are using a different set of columns, it may fail. In such a case, yes, you no need to come to this trigger and rerun trigger now, not required. Go to monitor and then go to monitor. Here you will see something called rerun. Entire pipeline or only the failed part, failed activity. Now it is successful. Remember, in our example, my table already exists, but the column names are different. So it failed. 2018, sale underscore 2018 failed. What I did, I dropped the source table. So drop the source table, destination table. Drop the destination table, run the pipeline. Pipeline created the new table with correct column. So here we are learning two things. Number one, how to pick data from storage blob. Number two, how to identify the pipeline failure and rerun from the activity that failed. You practice these items carefully today. Next comes something called file incremental loads. This is a file regular load. Then what if some changes occur at the source? How to cascade or propagate those changes? That is our next example. File incremental loads. We'll do slowly, step by step. First, I request you to complete this particular practice carefully. Please complete all these items. Do let me know for questions if any. We'll stop for now. Next comes file incremental loads. Any questions, let me know, please. I will wait. You'll practice the things carefully, friends. Questions, please let me know. I'll wait.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Very, very good morning, sir. Please tell me.
Sir, last classes, whatever we have, you are providing that steps. No, I have followed that one. I have created that Azure database and Azure Synapse pool data warehouse, and I have load the data in database and try to uh, sync through Azure Data Factory to Azure pool. I have done that one. So what my question is like, Once this activity is completed, only we need to drop that Azure Data Factory, all the channels, pipelines, whatever we have created, that one, as well as data warehouse, pool, all the things we need to delete except that database, correct?
Yeah, better to delete all resources after your practice. Safe side. SQL
Uh,
server and database, if there are basic plan, no problem. It's very cheap, so no problem.
okay. And this one also the same. Like once we have completed this one, then we have to uh, delete it, correct?
Sir, same story, sir. Yes. Please delete all resources every time after you practice, sir. Okay, every day, today, tomorrow, every day, sir. Please, safe side.
Okay, sir. But in sir, but in the current environment, like in a real environment in office, this whatever we have done, that one that will run through like every day with this pipelines and other things. So that will be like any charges will be there by project or how it is that one. Sir?
We'll take the pricing part separately, sir. Give me some more days time. We'll do, sir.
Thank you.
Morning, Sai.
Yes, madam. Please tell me. Yes.
I had an issue while creating the data warehouse. I've sent you a screenshot on WhatsApp.
I
It said,
remember, madam. I remember. Yes. I think we spoke yesterday, right? On call as well. I remember. Yeah.
this is the latest one.
Latest one did you send? Okay, okay. Sure.
Yeah.
Sure, madam. Just give me 10-15 minutes time today. I can reply you. I'll do. Sure. 10
No
15 minutes
worries.
time.
Yeah,
I'll do.
thanks. Yeah.
It's Anupama, right? Is it madam? Anupama?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, Sai.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure. Done. Done, madam. Sure. I'll do. Sure.
Yeah, no, this is Dr. Simon.
Next question, please.
No,
Send
Dr.
2
Simon.
mails. Sir, English, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Okay,
English, sir. It's common class, sir.
this is Narasimhan, sir. Yeah,
Tell me, sir.
we have seen one failure, right? While transferring the data from
Exactly.
yeah,
Yes.
did we get a chance? I mean, facility to verify the table structure before going to run these pipeline triggers?
No, we need to do it manually, separately. Within ADF, we cannot in copy data activity.
Mhm.
But you remember I said there is something called data flow activity coming up next, right? In data flow activity, we can do. In copy data activity, we cannot.
Okay, okay.
Hope you remember there are 2 types of activities we need to learn. You remember? Copy data, data
Yeah,
flow.
previous class I didn't attend. I was in production issue.
I think my team have sent you the videos. Please go through it carefully.
Yeah, yesterday, day before yesterday, yes, I got those videos.
Please refer to it. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Thank
Sai,
Please tell me. Yes.
yeah, for the assignment, I have downloaded the pipeline files, backup files. So you want me to upload that one, or you want the details in the text information?
Just text information should be enough. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. High level should be enough. No problem.
Okay, I did two last part I have to do, like which contains joining two tables from two different databases. That part is left. So I will resend that
Okay.
because I have not copied the steps in text. I just downloaded
Okay.
the pipeline and I thought to send it to you directly.
No problem. Anything is okay. As long as you attempt it, it's enough. No issues. No problem.
Okay, I'll send it across in a text format today.
Please, please. Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
You're welcome. I have resent the assignments once again, friends, everyone. Next comes file incremental loads and table incremental loads. We'll do tomorrow's class. I request you to please complete the practice thoroughly. It's not late. It's not too late. Others, please start your things carefully. We need to do file incremental loads, pipeline settings, DOCP, DIU, staging, etc. on-premises data loads, and other stuff one by one. Everything is important. Please help me. You received 2 mails today, right? Please check. Please help me. Yes, please receive 2 mails today. Please.
Yes, I.
Yes.
Yes, I.
Perfect. Yeah. Please complete your practice thoroughly. Submit your assignments. We'll meet tomorrow, friends. Please plan for a bit lengthy class tomorrow. Please help me. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, friends. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.